Now when it comes to mounting this display, you can either mount it directly to the wall together. For example, if you're showing a video and at the same time you want to take notes on the side, as well as compare it with some pictures and have a webcam session going. The options are up to you. What I like about this is that I can be watching my YouTube videos and I can write directly over the video itself if I want to jot down some notes or point certain things out. As for the internet connection, the built-in Wi-Fi is decent and will do the job, but it's not the best or smoothest for internet connection, especially for higher quality videos or larger files. So I prefer to directly connect it to the internet with the Ethernet cable to have a much smoother, faster, and reliable connection. This smartboard functions as a computer, whiteboard, TV, and monitor all in one. It's a very useful device for anyone in the education field, or anyone in an office environment where presentations are a norm. So let me quickly go over some of the device features and specs, and then I'll show you this amazing smartboard in action. An RJ45 Ethernet port, a USB Type-B port, 2 HDMI ports, a USB 2.0 and 3.0 port on the back, a useful and productive device for work, education, and just for fun. The screen can also split into 2 or 4, so you can multifunction and use multiple apps, drawing something on one side while someone else is writing something on the other side. Which has more features and useful tools, I recommend using a smartboard like this 55-inch HKMLC all-in-one interactive smartboard. I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.